Welcome back to Piecast and Pie Performance. We've got a nice project coming up that we want to share with you, seek ideas and thoughts. So we have a 2005 Cayenne Turbo, which is looking a bit sorry for itself at the moment. Needs some mechanical work anyway to get it running. Head gaskets are gone, we're going to rebuild the engine and do all of that. But this is going to be our Dakar project. We're interested to gather your thoughts and ideas about what we should do, so comment away and let us know what your thoughts are. But I want to introduce to one of our technicians, Adam, who's actually going to be running the project for us at Pie Performance. This also doubles up as a bit of a fun project for us within the team and morale and motivation. So I'll hand you over to Adam.
Hello. So as Chris says, this is our new project. It's going to be our new Dakar Cayenne. Obviously this is a Cayenne Turbo, so it's a bit beefier than the standard one. We've got a few plans. Obviously, first things first, we're going to get it all mechanically sound, get it all running properly, get all the underside sorted, and then it's on to the modifications. Obviously, we're going to lift it up, put some chunkier tyres on it, maybe a roof rack, a couple of light bars here and there, and go from there, really, and just make it a sort of a standout piece and a sort of Pie Performance support vehicle at our shows and events throughout the year next year. But, yeah, as you can see, it does need a lot of TLC. But that's what we're here for, it's what we specialise in, so yeah, any additions?
Great. Thanks, Adam. As Adam said, we're going to be working on this over the coming months. One of the things we want to do, and Pie's about being social, being around the scene, people coming in to see our coffee area. Once this is done, one of the things I'm quite keen to do about this is let's get it out on 4x4 days and invite customers along. So once we've finished the project, or you want to come along and see it, or want to get involved, then send us a message or let us know on social media. Keep watching and there'll be more to follow as we progress with this project.